I need to make a miter sled because I want to make a box with miter corners. So I got a piece of Teflon, I got this scrap piece of wood, and I got some scrap birch plywood, not the good birch, the cheaper birch. I'm going to cut this stuff down to size and we'll be back. We're going to make a miter sled so we can make a box. We're going to make a miniature one. We're not making one of these big gigantic monsters. So I already got my guide on the board. And I've also got a board that runs on the outside edge of my saw. And I've never done this before. I've never seen anybody do it before. I just knew that I could take a little bit of the wiggle out of it by doing that. So that's what I did. Here I'm just cutting it off flush, so I'm going to be parallel to my blade. I set one screw on the outside edge of this, and then I'm going to bump that up to my saw blade with my square, fasten that screw, then add another screw in between. There's a lesson in this, and you're going to find out in about 30 seconds. There's a process out there called the four-cut method that some people use for dialing these in, but you can look that up if you would like to, but this is perfectly fine for me. You can't see it, but that says 44.95 degrees. This is when I realize I'm going to hit my screw. And yes, I've removed the old screw. This is salvaged walnut, so there's a couple holes there. Basically, I'm going to set one of my sides lengths based on the biggest piece I can get out of these two that have the holes in them. And then I'm just going to match them up and cut them identical. Here I'm just checking the scrap offcut pieces to kind of see how I like how it looks, and I'm satisfied with it. So that's Mia, my 12-pound attack dog. There was just the tiniest little bit of that hole left right on the tip, so I got to shave another little section off. We're going to go ahead and miter these corners and then take them inside and check them all out, see how they look. Here I'm bumping one up against the blade, and then the one I want to cut, I extend it out in front of the blade, and I'm matching up the back edge on the left. Here I'm cutting off just one end of each board because I don't know the overall length of this side of the box, so I'm gonna get the lid and figure that out. So I think that looks pretty good. Give you a look inside. Padauk, black walnut. That was a super basic miter sled. And the key thing there was stabilizing it with that extra board that runs along the outside edge of my table saw. That's a pretty good little tip. And the plan is to put that on the top. Isn't that crazy looking? Anyway, there's a little quick down and dirty miter sled. I'm gonna probably do a video on this box when I get it finished. So hit the like button. I hope you subscribe. Thank you.